Hello everyone, welcome back to the series Genetics 101. Today we are going to talk about Punnett Square in this video. Punnett Square is a powerful tool used in genetics to predict the outcomes of a cross. If we cross a pure green pod pea plant denoted as GG with another pure yellow pod pea plant denoted as lowercase gg, we can predict the outcomes by using the use of Punnett Square. During the segregation of gamete, the green pod pea plant produces a single type of allele or gamete, that is uppercase G. Similarly, yellow pod pea plant produces a single type of allele or gamete, that is small g or lowercase g. Therefore, in F1 generation, we only get one type of allele combination, and the genotype will be capital G and lowercase g. Coming to the phenotypic ratio, in F1 generation, there will be only one type of genotype, that is capital G and lowercase g. Therefore, there is only one type of phenotype, that is green pod color, since green is dominant over the yellow color. Therefore, by crossing a pure pea plant with another pure pea plant differing in only one contrasting character, that is pod color, will give us a single type of genotype and a single type of phenotype. Therefore, phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio is going to be only one type of trait. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in next video.